Today I wanna show you how to build a cheap but large volume USB flash drive. You need to buy a SSD drive and a disk enclosure. Don't worry, those are very cheap. In this short video I will show you how to configure this device and the transfer speed between hard disk and this USB drive. This is Toolkit brand SSD. I bought this for $29.88. And this is disk enclosure. I bought this for $4.98. USB 3 is little high price. Put that SSD into the enclosure like this. Supports all standard 2.5-inch SATA 123 HDD and SSD up to 6 TB max. Tool-free installation, hot swap plug and play, LED indicator, no reboot or additional driver needed. You will find these items on AliExpress, link is in the description.
Thank you for watching. If this video helps, like, subscribe and share with your friends.